I'm about to go back to the 70s now. Come on, man, play that shit. Y'all fuck with me? Check it. No need for hard feelings, my greatness God-given. Shabazz screaming the crowd, haters eager to stop. Comparing me to limits like comparing me with a pop out. Never leaving the spot of validation, believe it or not. I used to dream of the time but woke up and realized I was already sleeping there. You up from the beating air and have a look see. You knew about a book, I never had to pay for the battle book. My life is a 61st record without a hook. They listen and more than might seem, but not if you here to witness it. My blood pressure is high as Wiz Khalifa, so we can air thugs or share ribs and pizza. Street teacher, preacher who burn reefer. My members don't exist like unicorns. Sneakers and Dickie suits, my uniform. Hell's that father, greatest of all time, an animal and a scholar. Put your hands up if you fucking with me. I want to thank y'all for coming out tonight. Now we can get the party started. I don't know what the fuck I just said. I'm straight ready. But on behalf of Wes McCody, Miles Fun, Rose Gold, and Ty Ferris, we appreciate you. Now let's rock. Yo, I'm from another planet where the grass is blue, the sky is green. Oh, there's an iron king, secondary to no one. Keep your thoughts to yourself, nigga, I own one. You sit and look at the change thinking it's no come. Bitch, you better get up and go get it. My flow is a gold ticket, I spit lottery. Camaraderie amongst real teams who know poverty. Like horns with cold swords, you're not topping it. Quite possibly the best find on this side of heaven. I can see the monster God smiling down on my poetic odyssey. Rise and fly, that's how it's gotta be. Saying you took a shot at me is far-fetched. Far less willingly ruling in permanent darkness. Less heartless, total opposite. King Father, my dominance, common sense. Yeah. Okay, shit. Facts. 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 I'm gonna use that shit to get my win. Yeah. So, Veterans Day right now. It's out. It's on iTunes. I got a limited edition flash drive, dog tag that you can also purchase with my last 2 projects on it, as well as videos. And I got some new shit coming out with my man Surplus from California. And I'm gonna rock a couple more joints from that project. And then we gonna move into some Veterans Day shit. So y'all with me? Say hell yeah. Hell yeah! Let's go.